Hey, my unique family. Look at Kamal, y'all. Today I will be doing his hair. I already pre-shampooed it. So the only thing I have to do is put some moisturizer on it and comb my baby hair today. I may do some braids. I don't know yet. Mom, I'm going to take that phone from you. Alrighty. So they chilling with me today. Jabari with that teeth missing, showing everybody his teeth. Smile, Jabari. We'll be back in a minute, y'all. I was sitting in the truck to talk to you guys, but guess what? My baby is here again, y'all. You gonna kiss me and then wipe it off. I don't want you to wipe it off. I like your kiss. And we're gonna make him a channel name. Oh Lord. We're gonna make him a channel name. Me. Your channel is Alicia Life. I mean, Lord, that was my other channel name that I ain't do nothing with. Your channel name is Alicia Unique Life because you always on my channel. I should have named it Alicia and Kamal Life. Now he's missing all my papers in the truck, y'all. Okay, now you need to get in your seat. Look at Kamal, look at y'all. Yeah, we need to make some songs. I'm the song dancer. I'm the song dancer. I am the song dancer. Sing a song. Alicia, Unique Life. Hey, Alicia, Unique Life. Hey, Alicia, Unique Life. Hey, Alicia, Unique Life. Hey, okay, we got Alicia in Canal. The drum book makes like every single day. Hey, every single day. Hey, every single day. This how the song going to end? How the song going to end? Come on. Me? How the song? You got to sing the song for Alicia, you nigga. Alicia, 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 Alicia. Look, everyone, and come out. He is asleep. Hey, everyone. I'm getting ready to do Kamal hair. This hairstyle is very simple. I am going to be braiding the sides of his hair. If you do not know how to braid, that's fine. You can do the style without braiding. But it's actually puff balls. His hair is already pre-shampooed. So the only thing I will be adding is some detangler. This is a detangler I'm going to use on his hair. I'll be using argan oil grease on his hair. And also I have my rubber bands, what I'm going to be using, and a comb. That's all you need for this hairstyle. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to put the braids on his hair. Reach from that comb, Kingston. I'm going to start with the braids on the side. I'm just going to put a couple on the side. And this will make the style last a little longer. Spray some detangler on it. Let that soak in a little bit and massage it in. And then I'm going to get a little bit of this argan oil and rub it on his hair. I know a lot of people don't know how to part to where it looks perfect. But, okay, I am back and I'm on the last one, y'all. The last one. This has been a journey, y'all. I'm going to show y'all the end results. I'm showing y'all the last one because instead of me just having it as a puff ball, like I said before, this is a puff ball. I'm going to loop his hair with this rubber band. And this is how it's gonna come out, like this. And to me, they look more neater. So stand up, come out. They want to see your hair. So this is the end result. Turn around so they can see the back. Keep on turning. Okay, you can sit back down.
Hi.
So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is a quick, simple style. Takes about 10 to 15 minutes at the most, as long as you have your moisturizer or detangler and you have some argan oil, or you can use olive oil, whatever you prefer. And like I say, if you don't know how to braid hair, that's okay. You can do that style without braiding the hair. So come on, tell them bye.
No.
You gotta come this way so they can see you. Come right here so they can see you. Tell them bye. Bye. See you in the next video.